Hi friends, my name is Vikar and in today's video we're gonna talk about how you can use Instagram on PC. So first of all, open your browser. It should be any browser. I'm gonna use Firefox and search for the Instagram. Basically there are two methods to use Instagram on PC. The first method is called inspect element method, in which you have to search for the inspect elements. Just right click on it and click on the inspect element button. After that, click on this screen. Here you see the mobile screen and select any of these mobile phones, any of these. I'm gonna use iPad or iPhone, anything. And after that, just refresh the page from over here, or you can press F5. Just hide this screen so you can use this Instagram easily. So here you go, you can use Instagram on PC. I hope you will like this video, and if this video is helpful for you, then do subscribe my channel. Yes, you can upload the images from PC, but you can't upload the videos. So to upload the videos from PC, just subscribe my channel. In the next video I'm gonna tell you that.